Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is 5,000 Cyber Commandos. Recently, Union Home Minister in an event said that India will have as many as 5,000 Cyber Commandos in the next 5 years. These commandos will be a group of highly trained police officers who will instantly respond to cyber attacks in the country and carry out preventive measures. It was announced at the first foundation day of the I4C, that is Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. The Home Minister termed cyber security as part of national security as a country's growth is not possible without ensuring cyber security. The Home Minister also inaugurated a suspect registry, a database with details of criminals involved in cyber and online financial frauds that will be accessible by the states, union territories, central investigation and intelligence agencies. The registry has been created based on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal in collaboration with banks and financial intermediaries to strengthen the fraud risk management capabilities of the financial ecosystem. A cyber fraud mitigation center also dedicated to the country at the event. The CFMC has been established at I4C with representatives of major banks, financial intermediaries, payment aggregators, telecom service providers, IT intermediaries and states UTs, law enforcement agencies. Now let's talk about Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. It was established in October 2018 under the Central Sector Scheme within the Cyber and Information Security Division of the MHA. It provides a framework and ecosystem for law enforcement agencies for dealing with cybercrime in a coordinated and comprehensive manner. I4C is envisaged to act as the nodal point to curb cybercrime in the country. Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center scheme was approved on 5th October 2018. Since its rollout, it has worked towards enhancing the nation's collective capability to tackle cybercrimes and develop effective coordination among the law enforcement agencies. The I4C was dedicated to the nation on 10th January 2020 by Honorable Home Minister. Now it's time for the practice question. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center I4C is an initiative of which ministry? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Communications. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.